Hey everybody, it's Tony with the Karl Auto Group. I'm back with General Manager Brett Moyer, and we have some exciting news to share with you that starts here in August.
Yeah, we are excited. As you all know, we've been the #1 GM certified dealer for a long time, more than anybody in the program. And GM is shifting gears a little bit, and we're kind of shifting with them. And it's CarBravo. Now we have the ability to certify more makes and more models. And you know, CarBravo is good, but again, we've got that one notch up, the Karl signature on it, so we don't miss anything. Our car is better than the rest.
Right, and it allows us 15 model years or newer and under 150,000 miles. So we get to expand again just on the ability of what we can offer to that consumer year-wise and mileage-wise.
Exactly. And another thing that's really cool is the number of our locations that are taking part in this. Of course, Ankeny being the #1, then we've got Webster City, then we've got Marshalltown, and we've got Stewart. I mean, we're talking covering all those areas.
So we've got a great network of dealers here in Iowa. But another good component of that is that with that warranty, you're able to service those vehicles at any GM location in the country. So more makes, more models, the #1 GM certified dealer. We're now CarBravo certified.